think twice at night. I can't go for just repeating those same old lines. Use your body, now you want my soul. Whoa, forget about it, say no go. Now I'll do anything you want me to, and I'll do anything you want me to. I can't go for that, no can do. I can't go for that, no can do. I can't go for that, no can do. I can't go for that, can't go for that. Wow. I'll do anything you want me to, and I'll do anything you want me to. And I can't go for that, no can do. I can't go for that, no can do. I can't go for that, no can do. I can't go for that, can't go for that, can't go for that.
Thanks, guys. Awesome, beautiful, as always. Welcome, episode 8. This week we're doing a clay pot roast chicken with vegetables. I've just laid everything out so you can have a look at what you'll need. It's not going to cost a fortune. 1 chook, root vegetables, bit of butter, and just bits and pieces. A mixed herb and butter mixture. We're going to put all over the chicken. A couple of tablespoons of butter, room temperature, so we can mix it all up. We've got some chicken stock, half a cup. We've got some celery, yummy little carrots, chopped up potato, garlic, some pumpkin, a couple of shallots that we'll chop up, 1 lemon, that's all we need for this. 1 chook. This is the clay pot. It's been soaking for about half an hour. Of course, you have to have a half a glass of wine because you might have to put that in as well. So I think that's sort of it. But here's the chook. It's been washed, wiped off with a paper towel, nice and dry. I'm just going to chop up half of this lemon, chop it into 4 pieces, like that. So we stuff that in there. Beautiful. Now what I've done, I've made up this butter and herb mixture. The normal mixed herbs, I'll put my fennel, a little bit of salt. So what I'm going to do is go down under the skin, down where the top of the leg is, and maybe a little bit over on the breast. Fingers up there, just a bit over the top like that. So we go there, over here. Got a spoon, just a little bit of, and then we go down the side. Just put it in there like that. Good. And a little bit on the other side, under the skin. Get it right down with the top of the drumstick, and then pull the skin down and just push it further down, just with your fingers like that. So we've got it all in there, that'll be lovely. And then put the butter on there like that. And because it's dried out, you can sort of just put it all over. Oh, hope you can see this. Beautiful. So I just get a toothpick, grab the bottom of the chicken, put a toothpick through the bottom, the skin I'm talking about. We're just trying to put the flap over the cavity, and that holds it all down together at the bottom like that. A little bit of pepper, and that's ready to go. Put the vegetables into the clay pot. We might even play a tune. I'm not sure. I have to ask George. 1, 2, 3. When you're down and confused, don't remember who you're talking to. Concentration. put potatoes in, carrots. I like, you know, pretty chunky bits of celery. Bit of pumpkin. I just left the skin on because then it sort of holds it a bit more together. Some good hunks of garlic, chopped up spring onions, a few slices of lemon. Yeah, a bit of lemon in with the veggies, yummy. A few thin slices of lemon. I'll just put a little bit of the rest of that in there. Half a cup of chicken stock. Half a cup of white wine. I reckon that's probably alright, isn't it? Or should I drink some out of there? That's about right. So, top goes on. Cold clay pot, cold oven. So, put this in here. Let's go to 200 degrees. I'm not going to put the fan on. That's it. Let's take the top off so you can see it. Now it's been, what, an hour and a half? And you're saying an hour and a half for a chook. It's because we started off with a cold oven. Some browning will have to take another, I'd say 15 minutes, something like that. So I'm going to put it back in and then we'll be back with the nice brown chicken. There it is. Look at that. Now that's sizzling away, still cooking away. We'll get the chicken out of there, let it sit for a while on this gorgeous plate. As you can see, it's just falling apart. And of course, these are the veggies. This is it. End result of the wonderful clay pot chicken. I'm just going to cut that through there now. Susie likes the chicken wings, so we're going to do that. She won't eat all that. I'll probably get second. Just going to put some veggies in. Down here. Look at that. That's that one. Beautiful. Look at that. You have to put some sauce over it, so that looks so good. So I'll just grab some of that. Top. That's it. Beautiful. And so much left over for reheating for the next day or sandwiches. It's called economics. A fabulous meal. But that's it. Thank you so much. Episode 8. Roast chicken in a clay pot with root vegetables. Beautiful. Thanks for hanging in with us and I hope you enjoy the music. We'll see you again next week with episode 9. So until then, have a great week and stay safe. Said we'd walk together, baby, come on me. Back come the twilight, should we lose our way? If as we were walking, a hand should slip free, I'll wait for you, and should I fall behind, wait for me. Now we swore we'd travel, darling, side by side. We'd help each other to stay and try. But each love is step forward so differently, that I wait for you. Should I fall behind, wait for me.
can do. Let's make our steps clear, that the other may see. And I'll wait for you. If I should fall behind, wait for me. Now there's a beautiful river in the valley ahead. Beneath the oaks bough, soon we'll be waiting.